welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of my series. 18 Faves has to do with the skincare, and the skincare as far as how I prep my skin before doing all of this here juice, you know what I'm saying? Used strictly products from either Birchbox or Allure. So these are all the, and Influencer. So these are all the products that I have received from October up until the December box, and these are the skincare portion of the products that I have been using. Yeah, so if you want to see my skincare routine, you want to see how I get everything done, you want to see how everything comes out and looks, all you have to do is keep on watching. Keep on watching, girl. If you really want to see what this is going to do and how it's going to get all of this done like this here, keep watching. I'm coming through. Watch me now. Got some for you. The first product that I generally go to, like my lips off, is going to be my lip balm. This lip balm is by Jack Black, and it is the Intense Lip Balm. And it's in natural mint and shea butter. It's kind of thick, but I actually like using it. And I do this before I do anything to my face. Probably has like a white cast, but it's really thick, and I like it. Because as I'm sitting here getting ready, it's like working. So the next step is going to be moisturizer. And I use several moisturizers depending on the need that I need, which I have oily here and around here. So the T-zone and around here, and like a little bit out to here. And then the rest of my face is dry, and I also suffer from eczema. Go figure. So I do use a few different products in my lips. So before I really start into any, oh my God. First product that I really like to use is, it's called Good Genes. It's by Sunday Riley. It's lactic acid treatment. It deeply exfoliates the dull surfaces of the skin for clarity, radiance, and younger looking skin. So we're just going to, it also a super concentrated treatment visually reduces the look of dark spots, age spots, and discolorations for a naturally brighter, more even toned skin. Formula is clinically proven to immediately plump the look of the fine lines and boost radiance in just 3 minutes. So I'm going to be very specific where I put each one of these products. So there's 3. So the first one is going to take this, and this actually is, I didn't look this one up. I'll link it down below. So I kind of just go, when anyone wants to come out, I actually need to buy this in certain areas. You know, I don't want to mix all of this together, if that makes sense. It's going to mix together, but I don't want to mix it together. I'm going to go down here. I'm staying away from this area. It smells like something, and I can't remember what exactly it is, but I don't know what that smell is, but I feel like I've smelled it before in other products, okay? Then I'm also going to go in with the Pericone ND, the High Potency Classic Firming Eyelid. This I received from Influencer. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this on my finger and go here and here, and I rubbed it in a little bit, and now I'm just gonna pat it. So this is my everyday kind of, this is what I do. We'll be adding more different things to my daily routine, but not as of yet. I have to do a little bit more research, okay? So it does make it a little like tacky, which is what I really like. Tacky. Okay, does give it a little bit of a sheen under here, which is fine. Then I'm going to go in with my First Aid Beauty Repair Cream. It's intense hydration for dry, parched skin. Eczema, you got parched skin. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. This I know I got out of my Allure box. Ooh, it's a bit too much. This is where my skin is the driest. Back in this area. Don't forget, clearly I have enough to do my whole neck. Do on the sides, up here a little bit, and on the sides of my nose. This is where I really get dehydrated. I really need some hydration. Okay, really need the hydration. Okay, not tacky. It doesn't feel like anything. Then the last one I'm gonna do, put right on top of that, is gonna be, and notice I am not going anywhere around the eyebrows. The next thing I'm going to use is the Air Repair Hydrating Serum. It protects and prevents. This one is $26 for the full size. This is, like I said, is something that I received in one of my boxes, my monthly boxes. The Jack Black Intense Lip is only $7.50 for the full size version. I've had this for a while, and I still am using it before I go and repurchase. And here I'm just gonna go right over the other product, right over the First Aid Beauty. Just kind of tapping it, pushing it into the skin. I have to use a lot of different things on my skin because, you know, first of all, foundation is not cheap, so you don't want a jacked up base. And, you know, your face is your base. So, the dark color on my eyelids and around my eyes, that is hereditary. I can tell you, every woman in my family has that. Okay. And I just take the residual product and rub on my lids, which is really hardly nothing. The next thing that I'm going to take is going to be all over. It is the, I can't probably not pronouncing this, the Malin and Goetz Vitamin E Face Moisturizer. It's supposed to be really good for hydration. I got this one in the Air Repair. I got in the October Birch box. The Jack Black Lip Intense Lip Therapy I got in my November box. And then this one I got in my December box. I had to look it up. Just take a little, about that much, peak size. And we're gonna put this all over with the exception of here, because this is where I need the most. Okay. And give that a minute to soak in and do its thug fizzle. And then while it's doing that, before I move on to brows, I'm gonna give this a minute to soak in. Have a little coffee. And then I'm going to add, you know, my hack, which is my dark spot color correcting concealing hack, but I need this to be in my skin before I do that. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I will say that I feel like my skin overall, I feel like it looks really great. I feel like the foundation really applied really well, you know. It's a great base. It made not my face tacky, but it made the foundation stick so much better. So the last step into a 100% complete look is going to be setting it with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. And I have a little thumb here for y'all. Okay. A little money. Fair. To set all of that goodness. So if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like it, comment, let me know what you think. I want to hear some feedback on what you think, you know, how that skin routine, how you feel it did, like it would do for you. Do you think it's too much? Do you think it's not enough? Do you have any other products that maybe I can try? Because these are the products that I usually get in my subscription box that I've been trying out, because, you know, like, you don't really want to go out and spend money on products and you really don't know how it works. Like, somebody can tell me, I can watch a YouTube video and they can say, well, I have combination skin, and somebody else can say, I have dry skin and I suffer from eczema. I do have that, but I need something that's gonna hit me on both accords. So if you guys can comment and let me know what you guys have been trying, what has been working for you, what type of skin you have, that would be awesome sauce. So also, don't forget, hit the notification, turn the notification bell on so that you can know when I upload. I upload 2 times a week. One is Sunday, the next one is Thursdays, so you can always look for those videos. I'll always try to get them up earlier in the day. This look was not like the focal point. It was the skincare and how everything played out and came together to really make the makeup, you know, really look its best. Like, I feel like that dewy and that matte foundation really did something for me. Like, that was actually this is actually the first time I'm trying that out. So I really want you guys to tell me what you think. I'm gonna post this picture on the gram, so you can follow me on Instagram as well, bold MUA. Just leave me some comments, tell me what you guys think. See you in the next video. What do you think?
It's over.
Yeah.
It's cute.
How do you think my skin looks? It looks what? They can't hear you. Say it for the people!
Super stylish. Looks flawless.
Thank you.